Look what I'm going to be eating today. Butternut Thai curry dinner box. Look at that sauce. I've got chickpeas in it. Rice. It looks delicious. And it's got a source of 12 grams of protein. It's got the rice. The box is 415 calories. So that's what I'm eating all together. And you can either cook it in the microwave or in the oven. Both you can cook it in the tray. It's like a paper sort of tray, but you obviously can cook it in the oven, but you need a PSS. We'll just take this off and that's it. Packaging as well, obviously. It's just got this paper stuff. Rinse before recycling, but they don't take this by me. But you can take it to your local if you wash these off, you can wash that off, take it to your local co-op and you can recycle it. Look at that. Well, this one looks quite small. Well, it's on an extra big plate, so it does look smaller than normal. Usually my other plates come to about here. But it's still a decent amount. But I'm going to be adding an avocado to it. So it's a bit tastier. Add a bit of avocado and that's my meal done. Oh, look at that. So I just ate that. It was tasty. It had a lot of butternut swash in it. You know, all over inside it was like just fill up with butternut swash, and on top you had the beans as well as the chickpeas. Really enjoyed it. I did add a avocado with it. Oh, you can see I got it on my face. Hang on. So if I didn't add the avocado, I think I'd still be hungry. Avocado just added to it, just filled me up. So it was really nice, really tasty. It was sweet. The curry sauce was lovely. It was just lovely. It was really nice. So I do recommend it. I'd probably give it about 7, 8 out of 10. It was really nice. The filling was like a lot of filling in it of vegetables. So you had like a lot of vegetables in it, so which is healthier, and it was low in calories and it was tasty. So 5